Mankind is suffocating the planet. Let's all be like Lou and work towards the 17 Sustainable Development Goals. Lou sees solidarity as the only viable way towards a more just world. Lou thinks hard about her real needs and her impact on our planet, so she chooses to consume responsibly. Lou eats healthily and avoids industrial products. It's important to preserve our natural resources as they're not infinite. Lou has chosen a green energy provider to see life in a different color. Lou marches for others, argues without violence, and chooses fair trade products. For the 2030 Agenda Goals, Lou chose the collective way. Lou has it all figured out. What about you? Leave no one behind and protect the planet. Together for the Agenda 2030.